Kirli would love to read your poems. So we've talked about
I would.
audience. So make sure you're uploading your work onto the Littlescribe Story Starter wall, and your teachers will find out all about how to do that this week and next week. So they'll help you to do that. But that means that Kirli can get on there and she can read and enjoy your poems. And remember that we're going to try and find you an audience. So think about who you'd really love to read your poems. So Kirli, we'll hand back to you to end with another one of your poems. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for today. Thank you, Littlescribe, for having me on. And yeah, I'm really excited to be part of a writing program with Littlescribe. So hopefully we'll get to keep working together. There's a word in Ganagara which means to walk and work together in Naganagula. So Didjurigoraniini for Naganagula with me. Thank you so much for walking and working with me today. It's been an absolute privilege. I'm going to read for you a poem called Walk Home. And I'm not sure, hands up if you walk home from school, maybe to mum or dad's work or a friend's place or your place. Yeah, a few people walk home. So when I was a kid, my sister and I used to walk home past a doorbell on the house that was covered by ivy. And every day or every few days, we were really naughty. We'd press the doorbell and then run away. And every time the man who lived there would jump out and scare us. So I included this poem because it just brought back this beautiful memory of picking all the flowers as you walk past them. So this is for all of the children who are walking home with their brothers or sisters after school. After school, Elsie and I walk in the afternoon sun to Mum's shop. The day drips with the scent of camellias that droop over fences in town. Their velvet petals pull on the path. Some wear the squash of a bike tire. We take joy out of pulling helicopter seeds like insect wings off the tree. We launch them for Guwara, wind, and hope she'll catch the seeds and carry them away and the smoke. Elsie and I take our time. We trace the ivy with paint-stained fingers, an invader of landscape that has grown over greyed stone on the corner shop. Sometimes we press the doorbell hidden underneath. Peeling back the green curtain, we fumble and duck. Ding dong! Then run, whoosh, hoping the grumpy old man who lives there won't catch us, praying our legs will stay yawang strong for the distance, sewing only when we reach the safety of Mum's shop. Jired Design. Thanks, everyone. I hope that, yeah, I can't wait to read your writing. I hope you keep writing poetry, keep connected to the land and to that beautiful wind. And yeah, we'll yarn soon.